Hi internet, this is Akshay from Tech Binders, and in this video I'm gonna unbox something bigger. So here it comes. So here I'm having Bose Sound Sport free wireless earphone. I can say that this is the costliest unboxing on my channel related to earphone. These cost around 19,000 rupees, so these are pretty much very costly. So I'm gonna do the unboxing and I'm gonna tell you more about these earphones in a few seconds. So without further delay, let's get started in this video. So here comes an extra line which says that up to 10 hours extra battery life with charge case. So if you are using this Bluetooth earphone with charge case, then it will give you around 15 hours of life. Without it, it will give you a 5 hours of battery backup. So without further delay, let's unbox this. So here it comes, nice cover, a nice Bose tagging is written there. So let's open this. Wow. And here it comes another message. Download the Bose Connect so that you can use and track about your earphones. Now let's see here what we are having in this box in nice cover, and it's been pretty much opened already. It's not the first time I'm unboxing. So here it comes the carrying case, and let me show you. It's hard to remove. Okay, here it comes carrying case, removing the plastic film. Here it comes nice, and Bose tagging is there in front of it. It has a button system to open it, and here we are having our two earphones which we are gonna talk later in this video. Let's move on to what we are having this inside. So here we are having this nice package which will be of paperwork, warranty and other stuff which we will talk about, and a silica gel which is pretty much not required, a micro USB cable. So they have given a cable. The length is pretty short, I can say that. Let me show you this. Small size, you can see that it's around 15 cm. The length is pretty small, and they have not given any charger to charge these earphones, so you're gonna use a charger to charge this. So they're given two earbuds, so it depends upon your usage type. If you're having a small ear canal like me, you can use small one. If you're having large, then you can go for this. The medium ones are pre-installed on these earphones, and let me show you the charging case. This is a charging case, and also it consists of a battery. A small notch is there which shows that a battery is built inside. And talking about the button system, on the right side you are having the volume up, the volume down, and also play and pause button. And on the left side you are having the power button. So once you power up, and these are gonna pretty much be amazing. So let me show you. I'm powering up, and they are pairing to themselves, and then we are going to test it in the real scenario. I don't know how they are going to be. I have not read the manual. So talking about this manual case, I have just opened it wrongly. It need to be done like this. That's not a big deal. Please read all the instructions. Let me show you what we are having here. We are having this Bose pamphlet, and you should give a try before connecting it to your app systems. And here we are having a pamphlet which shows the warranty and all other stuff where you need to register your product. There is no English on this, and so I cannot pretty much read it because I know only English. So keeping it aside, I don't know what it is. For free wireless headphones, it gives you all type of warnings, safety instructions that you should follow before using these earphones. So here they are. The charging case looks pretty great. It's made of plastic, but the build quality is awesome, you can say that. And it gives you 2 times charging capacity, so you can charge your earbuds by using these charging case, and it's gonna charge 2 times. Let me turn it on and let me show you. So it's having the button, just press it and you can open it, and you can see that the indicators are on which shows that it's charging. So currently it is in charging mode, and once you take it out, it's gonna be in the pairing mode, and you can pair with your smartphone. They are having the magnetic charging, as you can see here that magnetic levels are there, and it does a magnetic charging. All you need to just put it through. I'm gonna charge it and show the charging level. As you can see that I put the right one, it shows for right, and same goes for the left one. So currently they are in the charging mode, and it looks pretty great. Gives you 2 times of charging case. The amount of battery it's possessing, so it's having around 50% of battery in the charging case. I'm gonna charge it. Moving on to next, the build quality is pretty awesome in these earphones, and they're having a glass finish, I can say that. It's made up of glass, so a little bit of fragile, so if you're gonna drop it, they're gonna break it. And also the buttons are pretty good, but I found it difficult to press it because The problem with the buttons is that you need to press hard to get in. They are IPX4 water resistant protection, and I don't know about the active sound noise cancellation. Although the sound is pretty good, I can say that I have tested it and it looks pretty amazing on my phone. So you can see that at the outer covering you can find that they are made up of glass, so it's gonna break, and they have not given the specification of glass, whether it's a Gorilla Glass protection or they have simply used glass, but it looks pretty great and they feel very comfortable also in my ears, and they give you noise cancellation. The company has not mentioned it whether it's an active noise cancellation or passive noise cancellation. As soon as you put it in your ears, they're gonna be pretty comfortable, and they give you a noise cancellation without even turning them on. So it looks pretty great. They're gonna be great on this. Talking about the sound quality is awesome. I can say that it gives you a balanced sound quality. But if you're a bass lover or looking for the sound quality, the thumping bass, it gives a thumping bass, but it's not as exaggerated as you are looking for. So they give you a bass, a decent amount of bass, and the balance is very good. So it's a truly balanced. So if someone is playing guitar at the background, you can pretty much hear that too. Also, they come with carrying case, which is a little bit of heavy side. I can say that it's an inbuilt battery which gives you 2 times of charging, so it gives you a battery indication also there, and you can just simply swap it in there. It's having the magnetic charging, and you need not to worry about it. Gives you 2 times of charging. So in a single charge it lasts for 5 hours, but I have not tested pretty much whether they are going to last for 5 hours or not. So the range is good. If you are in the 10-meter range, it works very great. Even it works across the wall. So if you left your phone in one room and went to other rooms, then also pretty much you can hear them very great. There's a little bit of audio lag, but I'm going to tell you what it is all about. There's an audio lag, a little bit of half second. If you play or pause, a little bit of half second delay is there, which you can say that as an audio lag. Or if you are playing video, you are just forwarding it, or you're skipping a video track or you're forwarding it, you will hear that the audio delay will be there. I think it's a firmware issue and it can be solved. Update of firmware. Multifunction button is there at the middle. You can use it for multi-purpose button. You can even take a call, you can reject a call, or you can even ignore the call. All can be done through these multi-purpose button. Different settings are there. Also, if you are on a call, only the right ear is gonna work it. So the right canal is only work it, and the left one will be of no use. The Bose Connect app is there. You can download the Bose Connect app and you can connect them. Then you can use a mode is known as Find My Earbud, and it will ping it if your earbuds are missing, and it will show you the correct location of the earbuds. So this is a little bit of advancement but done. But there are a few lags. I can say that it takes around 2.5 hours to charge this case, and with these it takes a lot of time. And the connectivity is good, the sound quality is good. But when we're talking about the price range, I think it's pretty much exaggerated. So they are a little bit of overpriced. It's around 19,000 rupees. That's too much of price, and I don't think they are of 19,000 rupees. It would be around 14 to 15,000 rupees. Maybe they can lower the price after some time. The buttons are good. I found a little bit of problem what I was talking about previously in video, a little bit of tactile, because it's a water resistant. So you need to press hard to get it. Also, it gives a battery indicator, and if you connect to a device like I have connected to my S9 Plus, so it will give an indication that you are connected to S9 Plus, or you can swap it with the help of this power button. So coming to the end of the video, whether you should purchase or not, I can say that these earphones are truly wireless earphones, are for a person who do a lot of exercises, jogging or playing a lot of games. For them, I can say this is pretty great. Watching movies, a little bit of disappointment was there from my side. I did not find it very comfortable when we are watching movies. I don't know whether it can be connected to 2 different smartphones separately, because I've done a video on Zoog earphones, and the Zoog earphones are having this advantage that you can use them separately, 2 different devices, and you can pair them independently and you can use as a one device. That looks pretty great, but I don't think it is there in these earphones. I could say that pretty much. They have launched this product for active persons, that they are physically active. So you can inbuild a sensors like that, so it can give you a health monitor checkup also. If you have inbuilt some sensors, like it gives you heart rate and also the amount of calorie that you want in the ears, that would be pretty fine for the price range. So if you have done some advancement like this, then I think these will be the best earphones. But if you're looking for 19,000 price range, or I can say that these are pretty great, but these are not great for everyone, and also they are too little bit of pricey. So this is all about these Bose earphones. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, Here is the subscribe button. Please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can receive latest video notification as soon as I upload new videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you don't like, you can even dislike this video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day and catch you in the next video.